Hello, I'm Jason Vanclef. My book, The Wealth Code, will show you the keys to protecting and building wealth in good times and bad. I run a financial firm in Santa Monica. Over the years, I've seen thousands of people discussing their finances, their hopes, their dreams, their different retirement goals. This book came out of those stories, and it came out of a process that we put in place with our clients to help them build strong financial tables to weather the storms that we're currently experiencing and may experience in the future. Wall Street says that a strong financial table is built on one leg: stocks, bonds, and mutual funds. They tell you that if you have a whole bunch of these things, you are diversified. The problem is, if that one leg breaks, what happens to your wealth? It comes falling down. We argue a table that has many legs on it, a strong financial table. Legs such as oil and gas, real estate, equipment, notes, bullion, coins, different ideas that you put under your table to provide support. And if one of the legs break, your table is secure. In the first few chapters of my book, I discuss the idea of freeing your estate from conventional thinking. Frankly, ideas promoted by Wall Street. We talk about applying principles of uncommon knowledge, not unconventional thinking, but principles which the very wealthy tend to follow universally, yet few of us, in terms of investors, follow. I also discuss ideas such as common myths in investing and disprove them one by one. Things that many of us follow and we think logically makes sense, yet financially hurt us in the long run. In this chapter, I have one of my favorite topics, which I call brokerisms. These are ways that brokers never admitted mistakes. Example, classic ones would be things like buy and hold. Another classic one is dollar cost average, as in, I know your stock has dropped by 50%, but don't worry, let's buy some more. We'll dollar cost average. Chapter 5. This is one of my favorite chapters because it discusses a concept of leaks in the bucket. Things like estate taxes, investment fees, poor diversification. Take complicated ideas and put them into simple analogies and metaphors that anyone can understand. What are these real estate investments, oil investments, note programs, equipment trust? Everyone has their different value systems. You want to find investments that match your beliefs, not someone else's. I include many case studies which will demonstrate how these principles will work for you in a very simple, straightforward manner. So you can read through them. You can get a sense of, oh, that makes sense for me, and oh, that wouldn't make sense for me. I believe this short book, a couple-hour read, will give you the tools necessary to build your own financial table for yourself and for your family and be better able to withstand whatever economic calamity comes your way.